Hello, this is Katie Martin, a meteorologist at NWS Atlanta, Peachtree City, and this is your weekly weather briefing for the week starting June 12th, 2025. The next 7 days will bring pretty typical weather for the month of June, with scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms expected basically each day. Some of these storms could be strong or severe in nature and also produce locally heavy rainfall. So, something to keep in mind for anyone with outdoor activities going on that gusty winds, small hail, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning may disrupt such plans outdoors. For today, hot, humid, and scattered showers and storms developing this afternoon. Our high temperatures will generally be in the lower 80s to lower 90s, with rain chances around 50 to 70%. As far as what that storm potential will look like for today, this is just one model representation of the evolution of showers and storms over the next 24 hours. The main takeaway here is the overall pattern we're seeing, that is generally scattered showers and storms, pretty summer like pattern. So don't exactly focus on the location of showers and storms necessarily. For the timestamp legend, if you're watching the time tick by there on the graphic, 18Z is 2 p.m. Eastern, 0Z is 8 p.m. Eastern, 6Z is 2 a.m. Eastern, and 12Z is 8 a.m. Eastern. So, outlooking the severe weather potential for you guys, here we have a level 1 out of 5, also known as the marginal risk for severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center. So, this is really just conveying that we're expecting pretty run of the mill thunderstorms and related hazards for this time of year. The main threat that any severe storms will pose will be damaging wind gusts in the 50 to 60 mile per hour range. Could have some small hail, but in general, we're expecting hail to remain less than an inch in diameter with any storms that become severe today. As far as the main time frame of thunderstorms, it'll be 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. today. Looking ahead to tomorrow, Friday, another hot and humid day with scattered showers and storms developing. High temperatures will be in the lower 80s to the upper 80s, maybe approaching 90 degrees for east central Georgia. And rain chances will be similar to today, mostly in the 60 to 70% range. Looking ahead to Father's Day weekend, we're going to keep this hot and humid air mass in place, as well as scattered to numerous showers and storms, mainly in the afternoons and evenings. Like today and like tomorrow, some isolated strong or even severe thunderstorms will be possible, posing damaging wind gusts and small hail as the primary threats. And as we head into the weekend and we have these repeated days of scattered thunderstorm activity, we could see heavy rainfall in strong and severe thunderstorms become more of an issue related to localized flooding, especially in low-lying areas and any poor drainage areas like urban areas. The tropics are quiet right now, at least the Atlantic and the Gulf, but the Atlantic hurricane season has just begun, so we still have the rest of the summer and early fall to keep an eye on the tropics for any activity that is yet to occur. Looking ahead to next week, we're going to basically be situated in a tropical like air mass across the southeast, including Georgia. So expect there to be scattered showers and numerous showers and thunderstorms each day. The graph or the table on the right is showing you the probability of rain forecast. And so, as you can see, the brighter green colors are greater rain chances. And so, in general, we'll see rain chances and thunderstorm chances maximized during the hottest parts of the day. So, around 2 p.m., and then activity generally tapering off for most of the area once we go past sunset each day. As far as how much rainfall is expected, our current forecast for the next 7 days indicates widespread totals of 2 to 4 inches expected. This is again because we're going to have consecutive days of scattered to numerous showers and storms. So the ground will start to get a little saturated in some spots, especially those where rain really repeats over and over the same areas over the course of the next several days. And so we'll have to watch for that localized flooding concern in low lying areas, urban areas, and areas with poor drainage. As our forecast stands now, it does look like localized rainfall totals of 5 to 6 inches will be possible where these storms occur frequently and maybe kind of pass over the same area over the next several days. And right now, it looks like the North Georgia mountains are one of the best locations in terms of chances for these greater rainfall totals to be realized, partly because of the upward slope of the mountains kind of helping the rainfall processes produce more rainfall and maximize those rainfall rates. But really, any area across the state of Georgia could be looking at some localized heavier rainfall any given day based on where these stronger or severe storms develop. Something else to keep in mind as we head into next week is with the hot and increasingly humid air mass in place, we're going to see heat index values on the rise. These maps are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday heat index values. And as you can see, values will be approaching or maybe even hitting around 105 degrees for that heat index across portions of central Georgia through midweek of next week. So something to certainly keep an eye on as we head into the weekend. So summarizing our next 7 days of weather and impacts, generally speaking, we're looking at a pretty typical pattern for June. That is hot, humid, daily rain chances, scattered numerous showers and thunderstorms. Each day will bring the opportunity for a few strong or severe storms, as well as storms producing locally heavy rainfall. So, gusty winds, small hail, that heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning may disrupt outdoor activities. As always, we can be reached by phone, via email, on our social media platforms, as well as in Slack. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about the forecast. And until next time, hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next Thursday.